This is the future home of HRP Greenville. Let's go inside, I'll show you around. I'll show you what the future office is gonna look like. All right, well, welcome to our new home. What we have here, we're on the south side of our new office space. This is a long corridor down here, and we have commercial neighbors. Down here on the left, we have Magnetic Brewery, and right here through this big monster arch of this old textile mill is HRP Associates. You can see all of the beauty of this space. We have the original wood decking on the ceiling. We have the brick walls. We have the high arches, the wood floors. We're very excited to be in this space in a reuse development of Brownfield. Walking in here, this will be our reception area where Miss Sheila Jones will see people in. Behind you is our brand new fancy dancy conference center / meeting room. Again, this is a great space. We got high ceilings, wood ceilings. We got 25-foot tall windows. Again, there'll be room in this conference area for about 30 folks, give or take. So it's a pretty symmetric layout out here, but you have a series of project manager offices on the left, which are all glass storefront facade, but you've also got the nice original brick here in the back. But we got, I think, 8 project manager offices, executive suite offices. We have a lot of our corporate positions are actually in Greenville, South Carolina. We have 2 practice leaders. Our COO is in town, so some workstations in the middle. Let me show you this executive conference room. We did something pretty cool in here that I think is unique to a business space environment. Come on in here. So in addition to all the glass storefront here, and these 25-foot high windows, which brings a lot of natural light into this conference room space, Judson Mill worked with us and we put in an actual roll-up door into this room, because as you can see through the glass is where our kitchen area is gonna be, and outside this window is our patio area. So we have the ability then, when we host, to roll this door up and have free-flowing traffic at an event space. We're looking forward to hosting on that front.
All right, well, it's October 19th, 2023, and we're all moved in. So let's go take a look at the office and the finished product here. So a lot different here. We're all decorated for Halloween. We've got our annual philanthropic event, Clays for Cancer, happening tomorrow. So we've got a combination of Halloween stuff and also a whole lot of pink going on in the office. So here we have Sheila Jones. Sheila, give a little wave there. She's our administrative assistant, keeps us in line here. As you walk in the front door, then we have our training room here, which is decorated for Halloween, but this is where we have a lot of training events for some of our clientele. Moving down the way here, you can see that we have project manager offices on the left, we have corporate executives on the right, and then we have our workstations in the middle. Walking down the hall here, you get into kind of our kitchenette area. We have not only a courtyard on the south end, but we also have this courtyard on the north end, which is really taking shape now. So clearly, moving the office to a brownfield redevelopment space and an old textile mill in the south like this has a lot of meaning for the staff here.
So why Judson Mill?
This is our hometown, so we like to see these buildings get new life.
HRP has been doing brownfield work for 40 years of our company's existence.
But also, as environmental consultants, we're kind of putting
our money where our mouth is, and actually be a tenant of a project like this was just an opportunity that we couldn't pass up.
This is the kind of redevelopment that HRP can be a part of and can assist developers, capital investment firms, folks that maybe are uneasy about environmental stigma of a particular property. What we do brownfields every day, and we look forward to talking with folks and getting into a campus like this and trying to figure out what the challenges are, or you know, a lot of times there are fears that through some testing or through some research become unfounded. When things work out, like Judson Mill, it's really special, and we couldn't be more proud to be here and be part of this great community.
Is this dumb? What is this? What am I doing? This is like Ricky Bobby. I don't know what to do with my hands.